This video is created for educational and demonstration purposes only. It showcases the complete front-end, back-end, and deployment process of the LinkedIn clone project, including key files and terminal commands. However, this is not a full step-by-step tutorial. The video serves as a complete overview and highlight of how the LinkedIn clone project works from start to finish. Welcome back, coder. To deploy your LinkedIn clone's backend on Render, follow these steps. Okay, we will start. First, sign up or log in on render.com and create an account if you don't have one. Next, click on New Web Service to create a backend service. Then, connect your repository, choose your Git provider like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, and select the repository containing your backend code. After that, configure the deployment settings. Choose Node as your environment, set the build command to npm install or yarn install, and set the start command to npm start or nodeserver.js. Now, set your environment variables like the MongoDB Atlas connection string and any required API keys. Then, click Create Web Service. Render will automatically build and deploy your backend. Finally, once the deployment is complete, Render provides a live URL for your backend, which you can use to connect with your front end. Your backend is now live and ready. Now, we will deploy the front-end on Vercel. So first is initializing front-end deployment. The process begins as Vercel sets up the build environment. Next, connecting repository to Vercel. Source code is linked and ready for deployment. Next one is installing dependencies. Essential packages are being downloaded and configured. Next, building React app for production. The project compiles and prepares optimized files. Next one is optimizing static assets. Every component is refined for maximum performance. Next, deploying to the global edge network. Your application is now spreading across worldwide servers. And the last, front-end live and synced with backend. The full LinkedIn clone is now officially online. Designed by ThinkCodeX. Final deployment complete. Let's explore the live version of our LinkedIn clone. And that's how we built and deployed our complete LinkedIn clone, from code to cloud. If you want the complete source code, comment below. LinkedIn Clone Code. For more exciting real-world projects, subscribe. Only on ThinkCodeX. Thank you.